Once upon a time.
In a cheerful neighborhood, Rex the remarkable dog was famed for his incredible ability to sense when someone needed help. Rex's love for water and sharp instincts made him the ideal hero for poolside emergencies. One sunny day, as kids laughed and played at the local pool, Rex noticed a child struggling in the deep end. Without a moment's hesitation, Rex leaped into action, swimming swiftly to reach the struggling child and guiding them to safety. Witnessing Rex's brave act, cheers erupted and gratitude filled the air as the child's family thanked Rex for his heroic rescue. Impressed by Rex's vigilance, the community organized a special event to honor him, adorning him with a shining cape and a badge of bravery. Rex, grateful for the recognition, continued his watchful duties, ensuring the safety and happiness of everyone enjoying the pool.